भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है, धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है, ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया।
Hello and good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us on this special webinar series presented by Franchise India called Bharat Franchise Show. Let me start you with wishing you a very happy New Year 2025 on behalf of Franchise India family. This is our winter special webinar series started from 3rd and will continue till 9th of January. We are back with the same excitement to help you in your journey to become a successful entrepreneur. Over the last 27 years, Franchise India has helped thousands of investors in selecting the right franchise business for them. In the series of Bharat Franchise Show, we showcase business opportunities with selected brand actively seeking for franchise partners in India. These brands have proven track record of profitability, sustainability, and they are committed to provide the intensive support. Today, we will showcase some of the best health and wellness brands looking for their business expansion across India. To talk about it, we have Ekam Yoga, we have Helic, we have Spirals Health, and of course, we have Laser Skin. So we'll start it with the Ekam Yoga. Ekam Yoga is a prominent wellness brand offering franchise opportunities for individual passionate about promoting the health and wellness through yoga. Established in 2018 and headquartered in Jaipur, Rajasthan, Ekam Yoga has developed a comprehensive franchise model to expand its presence across India. To talk more about this brand and the business opportunity, I'm joined with the founder himself, Samprati Sanghvi. I would request Mr. Sampati, if you could help us understand the brand and the business opportunity. We will have like 15-20 minutes. I will showcase. I will show the brand PPT. But before we start and talk more about the brand, I would really want you to please tell us more about yourself and how you started this business, by the way.
Thank you, Mr. Bharat. I'm Samprati Singhvi. Good evening, everyone. Namaskaram, Vanakkam. See, myself, Samprati Singhvi, this yoga started, yoga's journey started in 2018. 2018, we had established one yoga school in Jaipur. In that, we were preparing yoga trainers. We were teaching yoga trainers. And we started this with therapy courses and different, so many different courses. That courses were recommended by Yoga Certification Board. Yoga Certification Board is a body of Ayush Ministry, India government. So we established one academy, and by this way we started our journey. Doing this, preparing this yoga trainers, we thought that we should have so many of yoga studios and all, but to relocate yoga trainers to every part of India, it seems very difficult. So we converted this into online model, and during Corona, our online yoga studio was very popular, and people joined and enjoyed. So people had given us idea that we can scale this like this, and after that we started. Nowadays, every day more than 15,000 people are joining with us, and in our 26th session, more than 10 to 15,000 people are joining and getting benefit. Till now, approximately 1.5 lakh subscriber was there our audience are across from across India. 90% audience are from India. 10% are from different country of the world. And those 10% are also Indian, but since we are uh, marketing in Indian people only, so majority of our audience are from India. By this way we started. Now, what we are offering is Ekam Yoga is offering a hybrid kind of a studio. We are setting up a studio where we create the ambience of yoga. We create the sorry. We create the ambience of yoga. We set up a yoga studio. We install yoga props and all to make the people comfortable doing different asanas and all. And one projector has been installed. Over the projector from our centralized studio, expert trainers are there. They are conducting, taking the session and all. And they are instructing all the audience to do yoga, how to perform yoga. Same time, we are appointing one yoga trainer at local. The local yoga trainer is helping audience to make their asanas perfect and all. In case any help needed, the local yoga trainer is helping. Local yoga trainer, I mean to say, yoga trainer available at the studio. Then here, Mr. Bhushan has shown so many kind of sessions what we are offering: weight loss, healing yoga, effective fitness, kite kids yoga, like this. So many sessions, more than 26 session a day in 24 hours we are offering. Apart from this 26 session, we are offering the personal yoga session. We are offering yoga teacher training program. Everything in online. But these all, sorry, let me have water. These yoga trainers are, these yogas studios are there, and they are audience, local audience is joining there.
Take your time, sir. I mean, no need to be in a
Yeah,
hurry. Take your
yeah,
time,
I'm
no
not in
problem.
that. Yeah, now now I can continue.
Mm.
So at local yoga studio, audience are coming, and from projector instructor is there, and these audience are able to use our yoga props. In when we were conducting our online session, we felt that many people are not able to join this. No, many people are not able to do their asanas in perfect way. So this physical yoga center is required, and our audience also requested that why not you come up with some yoga studio in our city. You can conduct same online session, but a physical trainer can help us to perfect our asanas and all. We can get more benefit out of that. So on request of this, we discuss, and now we are ready with the franchise model, and now we are ready with the setting up again a studio in any of the city, any of the part of the world. So many sessions what we are offering. Apart from that, local need we are understanding, trying to understanding the local need of the is to local need of the yoga sessions. So we are designing that also. So many various things we are offering. Apart from this yoga, we are conducting strength training, dance, cardio. So many other kind of sessions are there. Zumba. So many other sessions are also there. So, and everyone knows that yoga is giving benefit in uh, holistic body, for a holistic body and holistic development of the body. Yoga is very useful and helpful. Till now, we had trained more than 2,000 yoga trainers in last 3 years, and right now we are having 5 yoga franchise studio, 3 in Jaipur and 2 in Jodhpur, 1 in Jodhpur and 1 in Mumbai. One in Mumbai. It is upcoming, and it will be in operational in February, by end of February. So till now we are having 5 studios, and there are so many reasons. Mr. Bharat had shown in the screen that there are so many reasons what we are offering. This fitness concept is there. Establish, we can help them establish the brand. We can get the local audience and marketing and all. We are doing it. And Ekam Yoga um, on our website every day. More than 50,000 people are lending. More than 50,000 people are visiting our website. So from every part of India, people are visiting our website. Now, this makes our marketing very easier. Apart from this, uh, we help to grow their audience. We help to cater the audience in the physical studio, and for that we are doing marketing and all, and we are guiding them to how to set up the studio. We can go to next slide. Yeah. So franchise advance means franchise advantage
Mm.
means, see, here we are saving the two. Sorry.
No, you please continue.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So, what is the advantage of franchising? See, we are cutting down the cost of yoga trainers. Since our yoga trainers are taking session from our centralized studio, so not much of yoga trainers, not much of expert knowledge of yoga trainers are required at a physical studio. We are appointing one yoga trainer and in any studio, that is more than enough for 1,000 size of studio. And if it is 2,000 or 3,000 square feet studio, then two yoga trainers are more than enough, and they are helping and to the audience. But our expert trainer are delivering their knowledge, and so we are cutting down the cost of the HR, and this way they can, anyone who is interested to do the business of yoga, but he don't need to don't need to have the knowledge of yoga. Only running with how to run the business, how to make the operations and all. This knowledge is more than enough for us.
So,
And all our
sir,
yoga.
is it
Yeah.
only about yoga, or you also have some expertise in healing any disease or something?
Yeah, we are all our sessions are been designed to cater some diseases like thyroid, PCOD, PCOS, pregnancy planning, post pregnancy, this post pregnancy complex we are dealing, and during the pregnancy, that also we are dealing. So many diseases, all lifestyle kind of diseases, more than 200 kind of diseases are there that we are handling through this yoga. Our all the sessions are designed to treat something special, something some disease which is coming from our lifestyle.
Okay, and as I can see here that the franchisee required to 2,500 square feet of space,
Yeah,
and the overall investment is 38 lakh rupees.
yeah,
The franchisee fee is going to be like 7 lakh plus GST, and the royalty that you would ask for 7%. Is this what? Yes.
yeah. It is correct. But franchise fees, and after discussing with you people, that we had reduced the franchise fees. Franchise
Mhm.
fees we are taking 5 lakh only.
All right. Okay.
Oh,
Any specific kind of, what sort of franchisee you would like to have? Like, do I need to have kind of prior experience, someone already doing some kind of yoga activities, or any, what kind of franchisee partner you would prefer, by the way?
not required, not required. Any yoga expertise knowledge, not required. Anyone can do this business. And if a person who is expert into management, then it is okay for us. And if he's ready to invest, then 100% it is okay to us. And he can run this business. He can join this business. Because all expert knowledge we are delivering by ourselves.
Okay, so franchisee, what all equipment a franchisee needs, by the way?
Uh, some yoga props are there that we designed it for
Okay.
some sirsasana, for aerial yoga, for relaxing box, and for trikona. So many asanas we are uh, so many asanas
Okay,
they have we are
and
having, and those are helping to do different kind of asanas.
okay, and apart from that, the projector, right? Do we need projector or television or something?
Your voice disconnected. Please ask again.
Okay, any projector, television,
Yeah,
camera,
projector is
what all
required.
things you would
Projector
require?
sound system is required. Web camera is required.
Okay. Okay. And any specific area, I mean, any specific a location you prefer, like dense population or any, high-end, locality or something? What kind of
Our
area
model
you would?
works for every city, and
Okay.
what we suggest is find a location in any of the dense residential area. It is high street was not required for this yoga studios because
Mhm,
this is not a retail product. So
mhm.
high street is not required. It can be on first floor or it can be of the inner part of the high street. But dense residential area is required.
And sir, marketing would require, right? So, I mean, what kind of marketing support you would be providing to the franchisees, by the way?
See, for a yoga studio, marketing effort is very easy. See,
Mhm.
we are helping in every respect to develop the content, to showcase the products and all, to showcase our sessions and all videos, everything we are providing by ourselves, and we are conducting some workshop. Whenever we open any studio, we are conducting some free workshops. So in workshops, we invite the audience. In our in our 1 day workshop, more than 200 audience are coming, and on our basis of our experience,
Mhm.
once 200 audience are there, 15-20% conversion is there. So in a month or 2 month time, whatever required audience we need in a yoga studio, we can.
Okay. Sir, any particular area, particular location, or any state where you're looking for your the first phase of rollout?
Yeah, we are expanding across India. Anywhere we are open to do it. Aggressively, we are looking for Chennai, this Bangalore, Nagpur, so many cities. Aggressively, we are looking, and already
Mhm.
we are joining so many shows over there of Franchise India. People are inquiring, but I think in the coming few days, the things will be converted.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Sanghavi, for being available for this webinar. All the audience, in case if you would like to get in touch with Mr. Singhvi
Yeah.
related to Ekam Yoga, you all can contact to the hotline number which I already have given in the chat box. That is the 9717683838. Or you can also write to us at feedback@franchiseindia.in. So that is how you can connect to us and we can have our discussion in length with Mr. Singhvi. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us.
Thank you, Mr. Bhushan.
Thank you, sir. We'll now move on to the next brand, and that is the Helic. Helic is a fast-growing chain of multi-specialty neighborhood hospital providing affordable, trustworthy, and high-quality primary and secondary healthcare services. The brand integrates cutting-edge technology to deliver seamless healthcare experience through its proprietary customer and doctor apps for appointment, payment management, e-prescription, and medical records. To talk more about this brand, we have Vikas ji available with us. Now, I would request, sir, if you could help us understand your brand and the business opportunity you're offering.
Thank you, Bharat. Hi, everyone. This is Vikas. I heads after Helix business expansion pan India. And so just to mention, Helix is a micro hospital chain, and we also provide franchisee FOFO model in pharmacy and path lab collection centers.
Hmm.
So, having said that, we don't provide franchisee in hospitals. However, we have the opportunity if somebody wants to invest into hospital, we are open-handedly welcome those people also. So I'll just briefly explain how hospital model works for us and for franchisor for investors, and then we'll take to the presentation, which is more of a pharmacy franchisee. So
Vikas,
hospital,
my request will be if you could share the presentation and in possible turn on the camera, please.
sure.
Thank you.
Am I visible?
Thank you. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
So I'll just share my screen to show the presentation.
Sure.
Before we start the presentation, I'll just briefly explain the concept of the hospital. What we do is,
Sure.
So for hospital, we don't provide franchisee because running a hospital requires a big team and the expertise as well. So what we do is we take spaces on lease for hospitals, which is around 4,000 square feet carpet area, and we ask the developer, the same developer, to invest into hospital around 1.5 to 2 cr depending on the size of the hospital. And we, against that, we give them rentals which is related to the market rent. And then we also share revenue share with them, which would be additional to the rentals. So let's suppose it's a kind of investment opportunity for to whom who has space like 4,000 5,000 square feet, and they are interested to lease that space to hospital chain. So we take that space, we ask for investment, and we provide them rental plus revenue share, which will which increase the appreciate the property as well, and as well as they get the good ROI as well against the investments. So this is what we do in terms of hospital. So I'll now start with this pharmacy model, which is more of a FOFO model, franchise on franchise opportunity. So just to add, Helic and pharmacy franchisee. So Helic is our fastest growing hospital, micro hospital chain and pharmacy chain. Who we are, a comprehensive hospital pharmacy chain offering a wide range of products and services, including medication, nutraceuticals, orthopedics, pathology lab services, and loyalty discounts cards. This entire services under one roof is open a big window to generate revenue for franchisees. Why us? Because we are the fastest growing hospital and pharmacy chain. We are tech enabled. We have our own products in different categories, which is skincare, nutraceuticals, Ayurveda, and homeopathy products. What we offer to franchisees: the technology, HR support, wide range of product category, marketing support, loyalty cards. In product category, you can see we keep all medicines, which is allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda. In nutraceuticals, pathology like lab collection centers, aesthetics, skincare, ortho support, home use medical equipments, and opticals. Business ratio, how we get revenues from different categories. 40% of the total revenue comes from medicine, 30% from path lab collection center, 20% from skincare, 10% from other nutraceuticals, medical, other equipments. Margin, the fixed margin is 40% overall on the revenues. Like if we do business for 5 lakh rupees, the margin would be 2 lakh rupees. Investment detail, the maximum investment amount is 20 lakh rupees. That includes fixtures, furnitures, cold storage, computer, branding signages, inventory products. Franchisee fees is very nominal, which is 3 lakhs rupees. We don't charge any royalty charge. We don't charge any revenue shares. Whatever revenue will generate from that particular pharmacy, that will 100% goes to franchisee. Then the pre-launch marketing support and total investment is 20 lakh rupees. These are the roles and responsibilities Helic does to set up the pharmacy: building infrastructure, hiring staff, training, providing products, marketing support, technology, operational support. Franchisee has to look after day-to-day operations, on-ground staff management, paying monthly rentals, on-ground executions of marketing, stock audit, stock replenishment, and acquisitions. This is the company traction, what we are planning to do with the pharmacy chain. These are the existing data and the futuristic data as well. This is how we're going to have the ROI considering 9 years agreement. So the entirely ROI comes, initial 3 years will give you 29% of the total ROI, which will be 2.10 crores. Next 3 years would be 2.52 crores. Next 3 years would be 2.7 crores. And last 3 years would be 107.3 crores. So this is the total ROI. If you invest with Helic 20 lakh rupees day one, in the total tenure of 9 years, you will be making 7.32 CR of the month. And this is the this numbers says what we are exactly doing right now since 3 years. These are the market validations. This is the business model: 100% investment recovery, maximum 12 to 15 months, ROI of 700% over 9 years. They are our co-founders. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Vikas. I mean, I would also request you if you could share some, important aspects of the franchisee. For example, like any specific, are you any specific for location or franchisee partners? Do they have any such kind of
Yes.
experience?
So obviously, yes. So now I'll briefly explain what the franchises should look after, what locations we are considering for now, what is the the ROI says, how the business grows. So since we are in from Delhi NCR, our properties, operational properties are in Delhi NCR itself. So we are now expanding North India for in a first phase. Obviously, in second or third phase, would be expanding pan India. For
Hmm.
due to logistically this thing, we are considering North India for in first phase. We don't require, there's no expertise required to have our franchisee. If you have interest to invest into healthcare or to pharmacies, most welcome. Every strategic planning or the setup level, Helic will do entire thing. You don't need to be have a pharmaceuticals expertise, or you don't need to have the certificate of pharmaceuticals or be pharma. We will hire the experts. We will train them. We will do the setup. We will give you the ROI model, and everything would be on us. You just need to take care of the daily day-to-day operations. That is it.
Okay. I mean, like Preetham J has asked, like, does it need any B pharma or relevant education needed?
No, not required. We will hire the B Pharma guy who has the certificate, and they will work for you. That is
Okay.
on us.
Hmm. Any specific kind of location you would prefer? I mean,
Not exactly any city, any
hmm,
see, being in healthcare, you obviously the market should be in residential places, right? People should walk in. Obviously, just to add, we have not launched, but it is in a trial phase. So we have make up a plan for quick commerce in healthcare. So similar to like Zepto and Swiggy or Zomato doing for the other groceries and everything. So we have make a platform wherein we can deliver medicines or other medical services to door, right? So that is a trial. We are doing that. So 20 minutes delivery for each locations, and that's how we are expanding it.
okay. And are you focusing on any particular area for your rollout, like, or you are open for across India?
North India for now.
Okay. So right now you're
If somebody
specifically
wants to take sorry, if somebody wants to take master franchisee in other part of India also, then we are
Mhm.
okay to go.
Okay. Otherwise, I mean, since you are in Noida, right?
Yes, yes.
So, I mean, what all states you would prefer? For example, like, will you go like beyond UP, like Bihar or Jharkhand or
Yes, yes, we are
Kolkata,
open to go in North India any place.
North
Because
India,
we are
any
expanding.
place?
Yes, we are expanding. We have we are operational in Haridwar, we are operational in Agra now. So we are moving to Gorakhpur. We have signed some property in Gorakhpur. We are moving to Kanpur, Lucknow. So these places we have already signed. So now moving towards that side, so we can do multiple properties.
I mean, tier 2 and 3 and 4 cities are more productive for you, I guess.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. However, we are expanding in Delhi NCR as well, since the quick commerce is a big change over for us in
Hmm.
healthcare and pharmacy. And since the USP of our pharmacy is we have path lab collection center, which is the big window for getting the revenues, right?
True.
Somebody is seeing our pharmacy, they can get the services of path lab as well from that particular pharmacies. So that support comes from our pathology centers and from our hospitals as well.
Okay, perfect. All right, Vikas, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the presentation and helping us understand Helic and its business model and the expansion plan. Thank you so much. In case anyone would like to get in touch with Vikas for the brand Helic, of course, you can get in touch on our hotline number 9717 683838. We'll now move on to the next brand, that is the Spirals Healthcare. Spiral Healthcare is a revolutionary IA-enabled healthcare platform developed by Prudus Technology Private Limited, which was established in 2016. It was designed to seamlessly integrate doctors, hospital, laboratories, pharmaceutical, and insurance provider. Spiral Healthcare offers a scalable model solution that redefines the medical ecosystem. To talk more about it, we have Gopesh Singh. Sir, are you there?
Yeah,
Gopesh,
hi everyone.
hi. So we have Gopesh ji, and I would now request him to please take the lead and please help us understand your brand and the business opportunity.
Thank you, Bharat. Hi everyone. Uh, Rudas Technology is the company which designed Spiral's Health. Was established in 2016. That is the year when we started building a centralized single database, a ecosystem for the medical health in India, something like what we have in all developed countries, where patients need not to take their paper records everywhere. Well, they go to the doctors, they take their prescriptions, and the medicines are ready on the counter. The lab tests are readily waiting for them, labs are waiting, and they go over there. So, to handle the challenge where the patient in India need to run pillars to post to get their prescription done and then medicines purchased and get the lab tests done and things like that, we developed and designed Spirals Health. Recently, Spirals Health has done a partnership. We are now partner of central government, National Health Authority, and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission for Pan India, and we are working with them in the digital mission of Ayushman Bharat, where they are trying to digitize all medical practices. Also, we have our partnership with the state healthcare in Jharkhand, Tripura, Mizoram, Chennai. We are under discussion with Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan. We certainly have our footprints in UP. We are also based out of Noida, like Helic. So something common here. Yeah. So the whole system is basically talking about we have all internally our own design HIMS for medical system in hospitals, clinic management solutions, chemist CRM, and lab CRM. And all these things are centrally connected one single database. So patient just need to register themselves once, and then that's it. They are done. They go anywhere, wherever there is a Spiral Health solution, their information is already there. With the OTP-based security, their information is accessed by the doctor or the hospital or chemist or lab, and their treatment and the process has been done. So we have around about 70 odd hospitals, small, medium care, connected with us. Now we are going live in Hisar with a 600 bedded hospital and connecting that also. We are having about somewhere around 100 chemists just connected with us. We have recently launched it. And we have probably around 50 labs with us. We have over 12,000 doctors who are connected with us on our platform, Pan India. And as I said, we are in multiple states. So the business opportunity with the Spirals Health is that one, it is government partner solution. Okay, so if any clinic, any hospital, anybody is connecting with us or getting digitized with us, they are not just getting a clinic management or a solution. They are also getting completely aligned with the government policies, regulations, and compliances. A certificate comes from Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission for them that their facility is registered with them. A certificate comes for the professionals that they are registered professional with the government, and a certificate comes from Spirals Health, Rudas Technologies, that they are now having the absolutely secure data. Their data is secured, their information is secured, their patient information is secured, and they are all compliant. If any compliance changes happen tomorrow, government brings any new changes, we will do that change at our end, and these all clinic and hospitals, they will be completely aligned with that. So they need not to worry about changing regulations, changing their compliances, but they all will get connected through it. So as I said, we all know health is the most growing industry today. We were talking about coronavirus till few days back. Now we are talking about new virus, which is spreading, right?
Yes.
People are afraid. See, health is something which needs, the more the population, the more focus is required towards health. And most important is in the country like India, where people are very less educated about their own medical rights, as well as uh, the security of their own medical data. It is important to bring compliances into the picture. And as government is working towards it, we are partner to that. So
While we are talking about the spiral health, I would also request you, in case if you could tell us the story behind this brand, right? The way, there is a small story, I guess, right?
yes, yes.
So yeah, so that will actually help us, relating what actually this technology all about.
All right. So, well, it happened with me in 2010. I was in UK through my company. I was managing a national health services account there, and we were delivering their system, NHS UK system. And at the same time, I was the consumer and the user also. So that is where I got the first-hand experience, and I was able to relate that how we are facing problem when we're talking about the patients. Patients are facing problem. Though we are having wonderful facilities, we have excellent doctors, we have numerous pharmaceutical companies, but people look at healthcare only when they are sick. It's not something which they where they want to get themselves educated. And when somebody gets sick, they want to find a doctor nearby. So the patient finding a doctor, initiating their treatment, and then the whole channel should open up where they should be getting treatment and medicines and everything. That is something that was the dream which I saw. From 2010 onwards, I was in multiple countries and I was looking into their medical systems. And finally, 2016, we started it. 2018, 15th August, when Prime Minister Modi announced that they are bringing a system where a patient take their patient ID, one unique number, to any hospital and their medical records will be there. We realized that we are on the right path. This is something which is required, and this is something that we were trying to bring in. So digitization is very important in the world coming time, and artificial intelligence is making it even much more better, where our health and concerns are being taken care. So the idea which started it, the idea was same as what Indian government is doing today, and that is where we are aligned with them. We are working on their microsites. We are helping them in their government hospitals to streamline the processes, though we are not implementing our system. But something very interesting that we have developed, we are the only company announced by Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission who has developed it. Like if any company want to have the certification or the partnership of Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, it's a big process. It's a tough scrutiny that we need to go for the data security checks. We need to go for certain tests and everything. We ourselves took it about 10 months to get that. Now, what we have done, we have developed a model where we are giving some connectivity through our system, and any company which is there, which is a medical IT company, which is having their medical system developed there, who are not partner of Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, who are not certified by them, they can get themselves certified in just 3 weeks, right? So we are the official connectors from Government of India, where any medical company can connect with us. So we are not just giving a solution to the hospital, to the lab, to chemist, to the clinic, the data security, the e-prescription management, and all those things. But we are also providing solution to our own competitors who want to remain in this industry after Government of India comes to the private hospitals and they say that you guys need to have some compliant system. So we are the only company in this periphery. So this is about Spirals Health. We are offering franchisee where we are having some minimal cost. It's a cloud-based solution, okay? And we are providing all backend support from our side. We are providing digital awareness. Anybody who is connecting with us, they are getting a free complete website. We are giving them our backend support. When patients are calling, we all know that all the numbers which are published on the internet, people get fake calls, loan calls, and doctors get harassed also by these calls. So we are publishing our number. We are providing the backend services where call comes to us. We scrutinize the call. If it is a patient call, we connect with the doctor. If it is some other call, we filter them out. So there are many additional services we are providing along with our solution. And this is here we are having our options for the franchisee. We have identified that we will be providing you a defined number of opportunity. Like tier 1 city, we should have at least 10,000 doctors available in a zone where we are giving the franchisee. There's no competition into two franchisees. Zones will be well defined. Even if any doctor or any medical practitioner comes directly to us in that particular franchisee zone, the commission to that particular franchisee will go. It will not be that, okay, this came directly to me, I would not give any commission. No, it's not like this. Okay. And this franchisee model is for 3 years. The approximate investment in tier 1 city is 7 lakhs, where the franchisee fee is 3.5 lakhs. We are giving the service commission, and as we have anybody who connects with us, we can go with them. It's a detailed Excel sheet where we have the worksheet where we can work out, we can show you how you'll be making the money. So in about 7 months, all your franchisee cost, everything, all your costs would be all taken out. And after that, up to 3 years, there is no additional cost, and we are working together. So this is in tier 1. Similarly, it goes for tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. We are having our presence everywhere, and we are open for that.
So primarily, what would be my role as a franchisee, by the way, if you can help us understanding the practical way of doing this?
In this model, as I've said, we're having multiple options where my franchisee partners will be able to work with us. Okay, they want to connect with the doctors, they want to connect with the chemists, labs, or anybody. They are open to do that. Mm-hmm. One more thing I would say, I think these numbers will also change because recently we have got, there is with every patient which is coming to the person who is connected using our system, that particular facility, whether it is a clinic or something, if there is, suppose there is a clinic who has purchased our solution for, let's say, about 24,000 rupees for a year. I'm just giving an example. And that particular doctor is getting, let's say, about 20 patients a day, not much. Okay, so that doctor will be getting 600 patients in a month. That means about 10,000 rupees that doctor will be getting from the government to use our system in their clinic every month. So my system is not just taking money, but it is generating revenue also for the facility which is going to use it. I think it's a little complex. So this is something which is we call DHIS, Digital Health Incentive Scheme from central government, where if any facility, any doctor is using, any chemist or lab who is using our system, and they are catching patients' information through a scanner used by our app, then they are entitled to receive 20 rupees per patient. Okay. That means if there are 20 patients in a day, somebody is getting, that's about 600 patients in a month, then 600 minus 100, 500 patients, they'll get 10,000 rupees. So they are paying 2,000 rupees a month for the system. They are earning 10,000 rupees a month. More the patients, more the revenue. And
so when you're saying that government will give like state government or the central government?
it will be coming from the central government
Okay.
directly in the account. When we'll be registering the patient, the facility, their account details, mandate form, everything will be taken, and it will be coming directly in the account. It's need not to be necessarily any specific current account or anything. It could be the personal account, it could be anybody's account, but as long as we have the mandate form, it will be coming directly from the government. So so this is what we are offering. Multiple solutions, not just for the practitioners, but also for the people who are having their own solution, which they are providing. We don't want to replace them. We want to work with them. We want to enable them to be Ayushman Bharat enabled, and then they get incentive. We also share with them. Both of us, it's a win-win situation.
Okay, so the more doctor clinics, I mean, these people will be onboarded to your app, the more money I can
Yes.
generate. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and this has been divided into tier 1, 2, 3, 4 cities, and the approximate investment is according to the tier cities, right?
Right. And then certainly the number of doctors and facilities we are taking care. Like if I'm talking about Delhi is having around 60,000 doctors. If I'm dividing Delhi in 6 zones, then there will be 6 different franchisees within Delhi, but they won't be crossing their geographies. It would be pin code based. But if I go to a tier 1 location, let's say I go to some let's say Auraiya. Auraiya is a district near Kanpur. If I go to Auraiya district, probably one whole big zone will be taken to consider the number of doctors that will be covered into that, right? So it is based on the opportunity that we are providing. The zones are defined as per the opportunities available in that particular zone.
So do you have any calculation like how much minimum doctor I would require in case if I'm from tier 4? How many doctors, or I mean, how many registration or would be required minimum to get my investment back?
Yeah, if you look into the tier 4, we are talking about the investment of 1.5 lakhs total investment. Okay. In that 1.5 lakh, 1 lakh is the franchisee fee, and 50,000 rupees we are reinvesting into the marketing and branding of the franchisee. So we will be doing a lot of digital marketing, publishing, all these things. We all know that YouTube, Instagram are very well in any village even. So talk about tier 4 city, that is the best option to reach to the people and awareness, create an awareness. So we use 50,000 for that. And we have seen that the average payback period is about 15 months in tier 1 city, because doctors are not very easy to accept the change, right? So that is, we have considered about 15 months. We have considered that in tier 4 city, there will be about 2,000 doctors, at least 2,000 to 3,000 doctors in each zone. So it's going to be really big zone.
Okay. All right, got it. I mean, any specific criteria to become a franchisee, like any specific experience, expertise, or any such kind of relevant experience you want?
No, absolutely nothing. See, what we have done to enable our franchisees, what we are doing, we are asking them, they should be just the salespeople. They should know how to pitch themselves. That's it. Rest, all the technical support is being provided by the back-end service, back office from our side. Even for onboarding anybody or something, they have to just go and fill in the information. The call, the training, everything will happen from the back end. Okay, so we don't want technical people over there. Technology, being technical, having connects is good. Otherwise, just purely the salespeople can do that.
All right. Okay, great. Thanks so much, sir, for being available for this webinar. In case, guys, anyone would like to get in touch with Gopesh ji for the discussion, you all can contact us on our hotline number, that is 9717683838, or you can also write to us at feedback@franchiseindia.in. Now we'll move on to the next and the last brand of this evening, that is the Laser Skin. Laser Skin is a UK-based leader in advanced skin and laser treatment, offering personalized service tailored to individuals' need. Utilizing NHS approved technology, they treat all skin type with a focus on safety, efficacy, and the comfort. To talk more about this, we have the India key account manager, Sushma Nadar. I would now request Sushma if you could help us understand your brand and the business opportunity.
Well, thank you, Bharat, for giving me this opportunity. And let me introduce myself once again. I'm Sushma Nadar, and I am handling the business for beauty and wellness for Pan India, wherein I'm handling multiple brands, out of which Laser Skin is one of them. So, this Laser Skin is a brand which is a UK-based brand, which is specialized in advanced skin and laser treatments. So their technology, as Bharat said, that it is NHS and FDA approved. NHS is National Health Services and FDA is Food and Drug Administration. So they are, whatever equipment this brand has, they are all approved by NHS and FDA, including their USP machine, which is Motus AY machine, which is for painless and effective hair reduction. That is also NHS and FDA approved. Now they are very, very focused towards their client. They provide customized consultations and flexible pricing for a good and tailored experience for the customers. In terms of medical affiliations, they are also a member of British Medical Laser Association, which is known as BMLA. And they are also a referral partner for medical practitioners across UK. Now, they also have a very huge social impact because they are a part of charity events specifically for PCOS and advancing laser therapies that combine science with aesthetic excellence, with aesthetic expertise. So other hormonal issues also they cover in their charity events. So let me start. Let me share the screen as well. So this is the brand I'm talking about. And this is what I have just explained to all of you. Now let's come to the details about these brands. The founder of this brand is Ms. Devinder Dule. She is a Birmingham-based entrepreneur, and she is a head clinician also. So this clinic is UK's first pain-free laser hair removal clinic, which is located in Hagley Road, Edgbaston. So they have this expertise in laser and skin treatments, and it is a 5-star rated clinic which offers advanced laser technology and tailored lasting results. They already have 19 clinic across UK. Now they want to enter into Indian market. So they have a mission. Their mission is to empower women of all ages by addressing excess hair and skin conditions with care and expertise. Community impact, they have a huge community impact. As I just told you, they actively supports charity events in terms of PCOS and other hormonal disorders. So they are expanding globally, just told you. Now, they encourage their clients and customers to follow their conversations on social media sites so that they are, they are also a part of their activities, I would say, their conversations, their communications, whatever communications they are doing, their customers and followers are very much a part of it. So they know what is going on. So their offerings. Now they provide treatments like laser hair removal, cryotherapy, rosacea treatment, fungal nail treatment, and other skin treatments. So this brand is as you know, this is expanding in India. So basically, we are focusing on tier one cities as of now, like Gurgaon, Chandigarh, Delhi, Amritsar, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Ahmedabad, and few other tier one cities. So we have a plan to expand in these cities first, and then we will expand in other parts of the country as well. So the franchisee model says that it is of course a FOFO model, which is franchisee owned, franchisee operated. Area required is somewhere around 300 to 600 square feet. Total investment is 70 lakhs. Franchise fees is 20 lakhs, which makes it 90 lakhs investment. Royalty is 6% or 60,000, whichever is on the higher side, that is the royalty or the revenue sharing. Average annual ROI is more than 100%, and payback period is 13 to 15 months. Agreement period, which is the contract period, that is also for 5 years. So this is a basic financial plan. Now, why should we partner with this brand? So this must be the very important question for everyone, whoever wants to be a franchisee partner with this brand. So this brand has many USPs. First, their equipments, their technology is very, very high-end technology. They are approved by NHS and FDA. Second, it is not necessary that only a doctor can supervise this. No, it is not important that we need to have a doctor in this clinic. Anybody with a suitable degree can come here, and we can train the person, and the person can operate this whole clinic. So initially we would be needing only 2-3 staff, not much of a staff requirement also. No special skills required. And they also have a range of skincare products. So as a cross-selling along with the treatments, skincare products also can be sold to increase the revenue of the clinic. So now in terms of support, during this contract period, during this agreement period, the brand would be taking care of or they would be supporting in the location support. The brand would be helping the franchisee partner to finalize the location for the clinic. They also would be helping in the hiring of the staff. They also would be helping in the training of the staff. Operational support would be there. Procurement support would also be there. As I told you, there is a very high-end machine called Motus AY, which is specifically for the painless hair reduction. That is, the brand would help you in procuring that as well. Along with that, there would be marketing support. There would be all kinds of, it is an ongoing support basically. It is not a one-time support. The brand would be giving the hand-holding to the franchisee partner during the complete contract period. So this is about this brand. And if you have any questions, you can put up your questions in the chat box. We will take it and we will answer all your queries. Thank you so much.
Sushma, I also want you to please put your number in the chat box, right? In
Sure,
case if
I will
anyone would like,
put it right away.
so in case if anyone would like to get in touch with you related to this brand, then of course they may connect with you. Meanwhile, so I think that's it for the day, everyone. Thank you so much for being available for this webinar. Right, today we had a very good brands from health and wellness, right from yoga to laser scan. Right, I mean, all these are very good in terms of support, in terms of marketing, in terms of profitability, right? Everything is absolutely perfect. So in case, if you want, you of course can contact us any point of time. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much, Sushma, for being available. Thank you so much, Gopi ji, for
Thank you.
being available for this webinar and sharing the detail about the brands. So that's it for the day. Tomorrow, we will again come back with some new brands and we'll explore the business opportunity. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock, we'll start. Till then, take care and good night to everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Bharat. Thank
Good
you.
night. Good night, Sushma.
So